Hey makers, it's Megan Elizabeth from buymeganelizabeth.com, and I am the creator and founder of the She Makes Club, and we are in the middle of doing some fun things for setting up our new 2020 year. And I just wanted to jump over and share some of the stuff that we have been making inside She Makes Club. The one scrapbook layout that we made, just one of the few that we made inside our workshop the month of December. Every month we have a live creative workshop. We use our Cricut. I provide cut files, some encouragement, different ways to journal and scrapbook and prompt you to think about making a life that you love and enjoying creativity and our craft of storytelling. So I wanted to just come on today, and these are some of the extra cut files that I had used and made and done. And I thought I would just whip together two really cute cards just for a little bit of goal-getting inspiration. I love setting goals at the beginning of a new year. I think that having intentions and a word to focus on and really being able to reflect on where you've been and set the intention for where you want to go. And that's what our focus, our vision for 2020 is all about. So a little play on the 2020 vision, of course, going into the 2020 year. It's so exciting, but we just really want to have a clear picture of what we're setting for ourselves, for how we want to show up for our family and love and faith and our calling in life and ourselves and our wellness and our fitness and just our creativity in general. So we just want to have fun with that. So I am going to just quickly put together this card. This little hashtag goals is a little cut file that I made. I welded all these little hashtags together and just layered the different colors. Instead of going through and gluing each one down, I just wanted to show it to you. And it's going to glue right onto the front of my my A2 size card, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, fold it in half. And it's really just going to be pretty darn simple in that I'm just going to line it up, glue them down, stick them on, and go goals. Go goals. I'm going to use my squeeze and roll, my 2A glue pen that I've used forever. It's still my favorite easy, quick adhesive. And I'm just literally placing them on here. But this is one of the cut files that are included when you join the She Makes Club. I do links to my Cricut design files. I do SVGs to the like designs that I make and the things that I weld together. So you have a lot of options and opportunity to recreate exactly what we're making in She Makes Club, or take your own spin on it and go as far as your imagination can take you. And it's a lot of fun, and I would just love to have you come join us this year. We have a new supply shop set up utilizing, that needs to slide down a little, oops. We're utilizing this year an Amazon store so that we can offer what I think is the best deals and budgets possible. Being able to provide and ship through Amazon as like an affiliate, where we are choosing the kits and the themes that really speak to me and speak to what we're trying to create and make, but allows you to essentially get free shipping, especially if you have Amazon Prime. It allows you to take advantage of their special discounts and offers, and really be able to have like a budget-friendly way to make and create fun things together in this new year. So I am just elated that we're offering and doing that this year. I did a little unboxing of a bunch of the kits that I ordered ahead of time, and pre-making everything with. We laid out our entire theme and what our topics will be month by month. And we're just going to really enjoy making together every single day. Well, not every single day, but every single week, month. Hopefully you create something every single day. So I'm also going to use some of these glitter enamel, because they're perfect. They go with these so well. So I'm going to do 3 down here, and we're going to do 3 up here. Let's see. Let's do this little guy here. I Actually, I think I'm gonna leave it at that. So really simple. So that's just one of the cuts and one of the ways you can use it. You can use it on a card to encourage somebody. You can use it on your desk, make it any size that you want for yourself or a little bit of inspiration. And it's just a fun, bright, cheery way to say, go get those goals. And maybe just write yourself a little reminder of, hey, I don't need to have this big, huge vision board or this huge book, but maybe I just write myself a card at the beginning of the year to say, this is what I'm intending to do. Or you can send it to somebody else to encourage them not to give up on their goals 1 week into the new year. Make a couple of these cards and send them out to your friends who are maybe mompreneurs or growing their direct sales business, or maybe it's just a friend who's struggling to get healthy and fit. This is a great way to encourage them. So have some fun with that. And I hope you guys enjoy the moments today. I'd love to see you inside She Makes Club. You can join anytime. There's no obligation or commitment, but we do have a really special discount if you decide to join for the entire year. So take advantage of that while it's available. Check out the Amazon shop and all that we have coming. Guys, have a great day.